Welcome. So here is the next on movement testnet. I'm going to show you. So how do you do participate? Everything A to J you will see in here. Just Discord task. Okay, click on this. Okay, if you don't yet first I need to, before going into this offer dive into, I'm going to say something to you. So if you don't yet join in this Telegram channel, that has on here, if you noticed here 82 people already joined from all around the world. So here is, if you don't yet, so check out description box, you will found a link, so walk through that link and join in this here. So here is one task. Here is Discord, so click on this here and that will bring you inside of the, okay, sorry, here is a little bit so click on this Discord and click this open button, and that will bring you your Discord. Okay, I'm going to apps use because it is so faster than browser in mobile phone. Okay, it's apps, Android apps. So if you don't have this on, you can, maybe you are in PC laptop, so you can use browser. That will be faster because PC observe the stuff so better than mobile. Okay, browser stuff. So anyhow, it is taking a little bit time. Okay, I'm waiting for it. Okay, movement. So click this accept invite, and then little bit verification system has on there. So click this little bit button and click the I have wrote everything A to J. So click this verify button and click this so answer is a little bit tougher in here. So NCGCZ NCGCZY. So click this answer button, and here we is you need to put this stuff in NCGCZY. So submit. So let me see what happened. Okay, you have been verified. Now it is show you this stuff. So let me see which role I get on here. So I'm movers now, so I wanna be testnetter. So here we see therefore testnet page. So I'm looking for testnet. So according to our post, we need to go testnet page. So here we have testnet. Okay, so notify me, click on there and add a testnet role. Bam, your work has been done. Okay, according to our post, Telegram post, if you noticed that we done this task. Okay, we done this task. So yeah, if you don't yet, check out. If you don't yet in here that we are talking about in this airdrop Telegram channel, check out description box, you will see those stuff. So see you later. Okay, until that.